Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and today this video is a fun video, obsessing on the big dog Tesla Semi, watching over the Giga Semi factory construction site. I had been given the heads up that there might be one of Tesla's famous Easter eggs on the Tesla Semi. So this video is an obsession. It's almost 6 minutes of Tesla Semi, and I also do apologize at 9x zoom. It's a little erratic filming. In any event, I did go back and look at this was taken on Thursday, December 5th, and I looked at the Monday, December 2nd video, and this was there, and I didn't notice it. So here we go. We're about to find out what exactly this Easter egg is. You can just see it on top of the Tesla Semi in the middle on the fairing, at the rear end of the fairing. It does give us, for those of us who obsess on the Tesla Semi, this is some of the best drone video I've ever gotten of the Semi itself. And you notice it has what is called super single tires on it. Big fat single tires on the rear 2 axles instead of the double tires that are customary. Here we go. Now we're going to get in there. What is it? What is it? It is an Easter egg. It's an actual Easter egg of an Easter egg. So somebody at Tesla took the trouble to procure an Easter egg and put it on top of this Tesla Semi for the Tesla Semi followers and fans of this construction site. I know that they've done that in the past, and they did it for Joe Tegmeyer at Giga, Nevada, and I had been hopeful that they might do it here. And you can accuse me of being easily amused, but I was extremely stoked to see this, and spent a good deal of time and drone battery getting this footage. As you probably know, if you don't, the front set of rear axles is the torque drive axle, the TDA, with 2 plaid motors that are able to disconnect when not needed. And the rear axle is a single plaid motor efficiency drive axle, or EDA. And I have pointed out many times that this is the breakthrough that makes the efficiency of the Tesla Semi that we know today true, and be a viable, amazingly efficient electric vehicle semi. And I have pointed out that all of the other electric EV semi manufacturers need to follow suit, or they will be left behind. You notice that no other electric Semi has anywhere near the efficiency or range of the Tesla Semi. The original design, as was first revealed, had 4 Model 3 motors on each of those drive axles, and they pivoted and came up with a better design thanks to an engineering genius by the name of Jason. By now you're probably bored with this, and I apologize, but just couldn't get enough of the fact that Tesla did this for us. Thank you for joining, and we'll be back in a couple days for another version of the factory construction progress videos.